This book is your very, very first book when you want to learn how to speak modern Hebrew. If you know how to read, then dive directly to this book. If you don't, then get the book, learn how to read Hebrew for real, be your own tutor. Today I want to read to you from the very beginning of the book. All I'm teaching in the 4th chapter is one verb, which is gar, live, reside, or dwell. A boy's name, Gal. Today we also have a girl's name, Gal. A girl's name, Gat. Gamal, camel. And Gesher, bridge. You may ask, why those words? Those words are constructed using the letters that were introduced in this book. So as soon as you learn a few consonants and 2 vowels, you can already know how to read phrases and sentences and know what they mean. That's why these 2 books go together. And again, if you know how to read, you don't need this book. Here are some sentences. In prior lesson, I taught the verb shar, which means sing. Here is sentence number 1. Gal shar. Gal sings or is singing. Number 2. Gal shar beshabbat. Gal sings or is singing on Shabbat. Third sentence, Gal gar be 3 dots. You can fill in whatever city. Gal lives in such and such place. Sentence 4, Gat, bat, shel, mar, bar. Gat is a daughter of Mr. Bar. The 5th one is Gesher be-LA, a bridge in LA. And this is how I build up more phrases, more sentences. I introduce verbs very, very slowly, prepositions very slowly. So when you get to the very end of the book, you would be able to construct sentences, read dialogues, and a short story. Link to these books above this picture.